This stunning castle is for sale. Located in Auvergne, France, it offers 23 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. This historic French chateau offers approximately 1,685 square meters of living space and occupies a commanding elevated position with origins dating back to the Roman and Carolingian eras. The property centers around a 12th and 13th century circular keep connected to 2 15th century wings, complemented by towers, a watchtower and extensive neo-Gothic enhancements completed in the 19th century. The chateau retains significant period interiors and architectural details from the 17th, 18th and 19th centuries. The property also includes 2 annex houses, outbuildings, a large vaulted reception hall, and approximately 5 hectares of grounds surrounding the castle and its crenellated terraces. The asking price of this stunning castle is €1,785,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.